Today's video we're going to look at the difference between hiding an object versus temporarily hiding an object. Okay, so as an example, if I was to select my roof, I right click it, I say hide in view, and it's now hidden. If I wanted to hide my ceiling, I could select it, right click, and say hide in view. So now I can get an aerial view of what's going on inside the structure. Okay, however, if I want to bring back those objects, and I simply go down here to my view control bar and I say reveal hidden elements, you'll notice that the border of this is in a magenta color, and anything that has been hidden is the same magenta color as we can see our roof. So I'm going to select my roof, and I'm going to go ahead and say unhide elements, and I'll go over and I'll close that. So now I have my roof has reappeared, and it's not hidden. Okay, now that is the unhide and hide an object. However, if I select my roof, you'll also notice on your options toolbar or on your view control, we have our temporary hide isolate. If I select this and I say hide element, you'll notice that the border around my drawing area is blue. You'll also notice I can see in because my ceiling that I hid earlier did not reappear because I only selected my roof. So if I turn on the reveal hidden elements, you'll notice that the roof is outlined in blue and the ceiling is outlined in magenta, okay? Because that means that my roof is temporarily hidden and my ceiling was hidden. So I can now select my ceiling and I can say unhide in view, alright? And I'll simply turn off the light bulb, and now I still have my ceiling accessible, okay? Throw some shading on there. My ceiling is accessible. However, my roof is still hidden. Now, things about the temporary hidden objects is you'll notice that while I'm still working in this view, it still has that blue border around it. That's letting you know that there are objects in this view that are temporarily hidden. What that means is if I was to print this view that we're looking at right now, my roof that I hid temporarily would actually print in my view. So temporarily hidden objects and elements will print in their respective views if they're just temporarily hidden. If you don't want it to print, if I didn't want my roof to print and I wanted to leave my roof hidden, what I can do is I don't have to go here and unreveal it, unhide it, and then hide it again. What I can do is I can simply click on the temporary hide and I can say apply hide or isolate to this view, which means my roof is hidden, or any objects that I temporarily hid, I can make them permanently hidden. So I could simply check this. You'll notice that the border around my drawing area goes away. Okay, and now if I turn on to reveal hidden elements, my roof is now magenta and not blue. Okay, so if I want to unhide the roof, now I have to say unhide in view, and my roof will now appear. So again, when you're selecting objects, you have the option to choose whether or not you want them to be permanently hidden, if you will, or temporarily hidden, and I can say hide element. Alright, and I can now see my roof is missing. I can see my ceiling if I want to make changes to it or anything like that. I can also select my ceiling and I can say hide it, okay, temporarily. So now I've hidden different objects. Okay, let's say we select our door, and instead of saying hide element, I'm going to say hide category. And you'll notice now that all of my doors, because they're all the same category, they all become hidden. Okay, so now if I want them back, I can either, as you see here, I can say reveal, and everything that's hidden, I can go ahead and select it, and I can unhide it. Okay, or very simply, I can simply select the temporary hidden, and I can say reset, and everything will come back.